So if you've been trying to learn how to play Luke Combs' song, The Best of Me, what you're probably running into is you're looking on the internet and you're seeing these chords, and they're telling you to play C, G, E minor, and D. But you try to play along with Luke, and it's not happening for you. You're like, well, what is going on? Well, what's going on is he's capoing. And he's capoing right here at the 4th fret. I'm just using the capo. Get my capo just right. Sounds right. So, if you did play those chords there, the same chords, same fingering techniques, that you're going to get the same tone that he's playing. So, a C is not really a C because I've moved it up 4 frets. So, the C that I'm playing here, let's see, what is that? That's an E. It's really an E. And the G that they're telling you to play is really a B. So it's really easy just to keep it in your mind of C, G, E minor, and D, but just move it down here. So I'm going to show you how it goes. Now you're going to play 2 counts on each one of these. So you get a C, G, E minor, D. That's pretty much the song. Now it bounces back on this C to G a couple times, that you'll see, but 17 don't think much about life. You just living. Kerosene dance around the fire. You're in it, so you jump right in. Ain't afraid to fall and you give it all. If you see, I did that twice. Jump right in, back up. Ain't afraid to fall and you give it all. And she got the best of me. She broke my heart. Now all that's left of me is beating in this guitar every night, different town. She follows me around. She gets what's left of me. Get what's left of me. She got the best of me. Yeah. That's it, man. That's the whole song. So you're just double timing each chord. Now, you're probably playing your C a little different because you've learned from a book or something. That's okay. We do the chords a little differently. I'll post a video on how, there's a lot. I call them the every rose has its thorn, G and C. It's basically you're going to play your G the way you learned to in a book, but you're going to do 2 fingers here. And then to get your C, you're just moving these 2 fingers down to the other strings right there. And that's it. The song's not hard. It's a really easy song. Probably a good song to learn by as long as you have the capo. Or if you have a really low voice, I suppose you could sing it down here. It's just kind of hard. It was kind of hard for me even to try to do it in the actual G, C, D, E minor. It was hard for me to even find it. But once I switched down to the capos, it's just the vocals just fell right in. So. Picked myself up off the floor, found something new worth living for. One dusty hammer down 6 string, and a couple chords getting over a little more each song. So y'all sing along, and she got the best of me. Anyway, so you guys enjoy. Hope it helps.